Hello everyone, Tommy Olsson here. So in this tutorial I will show you how to create a business website on WordPress. So the system network platform I use is Influx Website Builder, where they have many pre-made themes for your website, so you can set it up pretty fast. They also have all the tools you need for build your business, and you have a WordPress blog with all the plugins you need attached to your website as well. So to get started, you just click here, start building. Now you can get started for free through a 14-day free trial through the link below. Here is one of the pre-made themes, but there's so many. Everything is set up here with text and images that you can podcast, donut shop, cleaning company and so on, jewelry, car rentals, yeah, the list goes on and on. So when you have found the theme that you want to start building with, then just click on create this website, and then you choose the package you want that fits you, and you just click on any one you want, select plan, and everyone has this free trial. Here you choose the site title that you want to have use and put it here, and here in the URL field you put the same name, and remember not to put influxentrepreneur.com at the end of the URL here, because when you end name here, the site, the platform put in influxentrepreneur.com by automation, and then you just have to continue to the next step, and then you will find a email from Influx Plus to the email you have entered, and yeah, then you are ready to go to start building that, editing your website. Now let's check out the dashboard. So here we are in the back office, the dashboard of WordPress that is connected to your site, and you can go to your site up here. For instance, I'm not going to go through all the menus, but you manage your site and your blog from this back office, and an advantage with having your blog attached to your website is that you, by sharing a lot of value in your blog post, you attract traffic, free targeted traffic to your blog and to your website as well. So you can combine free traffic with paid traffic, or you can, if you have a limited budget, you can start off by just being really consistent about blogging and share a lot of value daily to drive that free traffic to your site. Now if you want to get started to quickly set up and easily set up your new business website, then click the link below and claim your 14-day free trial. Thanks so much for watching. Subscribe if you feel like this content, and have an awesome day. Bye bye.